Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some interesting news from the folks at Maxon as they've just announced the end of sale for Forger. And Forger is a professional grade 3D sculpting and modeling app for iPad alongside iPhone, which was developed sometime in 2021, and this was built to rival a fun and interesting sculpting tool from the folks at Autodesk, which was called the 123D Sculpt. And 123D Sculpt offered basic sculpting and detailing tools and, simple tools that can allow you to just fiddle across your iPad and create something. And 123D Sculpt was more of a sister tool from the typical 123D modeling tool that the folks at Autodesk had released for hard surface modeling. And so, with Forger, these actually came with a lot of cool features that a lot of creators wanted to use as it pushed the bounds of what you could do with your iPad. More so, Forger was cooler and had a lot of flexibilities that 123D Sculpt did not have, with some very interesting and core features, which includes desktop class sculpting that offered a wide range of brushes which mirrored various familiar workflows and brushes alongside tools that exist in tools like Zbrush, a multi-resolution and sculpting layer, a hard surface modeling set of tools that utilizes a ton of poly modeling techniques to create hard surface models. Remeshing and masking support also ships with Forger, and Forger also offers some painting tools that allows you to simply do the per vertex painting inside of Forger. And of course, Forger also has a lot of import and export capabilities that deals with various file formats from OBJ, STL, Alembic, USD, FBX, and so on. And over time, Forger became the standard of sculpting tools for iPad. And sometime in August 2020, Nomad Sculpt was announced, and this promised to come with a ton of cool features that a lot of Forger users had actually asked for. And fast forward to March of 2021, the folks at Maxon now purchased Forger, and this now caused a beautiful integration across Forger and Cinema 4D, causing a nice handshake and of course bi-directional transfer across both apps. And this was pretty cool for those working with Forger and also had access to Cinema 4D at the time. And fast forward to September 2024, the folks at Maxon announced Zbrush for iPad, and Zbrush for iPad has gotten some interesting update which I believe has influenced the idea of the end of sale for Forger. So if you work with Forger, then you have a limited time for you to be able to have access to this from the App Store prior to this no longer being accessible. And you can tell that why this is having an end of sale is because Zbrush is now available for iPad, and the folks at Maxon are looking at consolidating resources and focusing their energy to enhance the sculpting experience of Zbrush for iPad. And you can tell that this is why we've got the Zbrush Comparison page right under where we have the topic, why is Forger no longer being developed, as they are simply merging the teams that can leverage off Forger's history on iPad and Zbrush sculpting capabilities to introduce more features and innovations, particularly with the Apple Pencil and iPad. So it seems like the folks at Maxon are looking at means of merging some of the cool features and functionalities that Forger has and incorporate all of that into Zbrush, more likely when it has to do with the poly modeling capabilities for Zbrush. For now, there will be no further updates, no download or subscription renewal after the 10th of September 2025, and at that point it will no longer be available on the App Store to be downloaded or even for subscriptions to be renewed. So this simply means that existing subscribers have from now till the 10th of September to re-download the app and use it and continue to receive technical updates until the end of their current subscription term. And having Forger been discontinued now brings the number of tools that the folks at Maxon have discontinued within this year to technically 3, but mostly 2. And this includes ZBrush Core and ZBrush Core Mini, which has also entered limited maintenance mode as well. So we already covered this one on the channel. For those who would like to see that one, you can simply go over to the link in the description and check it, as this is going to be having support till the 30th of September 2025. And yes, there's a ton of cool features that the folks at Maxon have promised, which I believe has led to the end of Forger. Either ways, Forger is an amazing tool, and for those who haven't tried it, you can simply go ahead and check it out right now before this gets totally taken away from the App Store. And of course, if you'd like to try out Zbrush, you can definitely go ahead and try out Zbrush. There's a free version that you can check out. And if you'd like to see some of the comparisons between what you've got for the free version, the desktop version, alongside the subscription version, I'm also going to put this link in the description where you can check it out. So just in case you're thinking about checking this one out, what you can do with Zbrush free, Zbrush subscription, and Zbrush desktop, you can find all of this right here. So this is it for those who are thinking about, finding another tool that they can work with. Then you might want to consider taking a look at Nomad Sculpt. And Nomad Sculpt is another interesting tool that you can use to do amazing sculpt. This is currently available on the Apple App Store and also on the Google Play Store. So if you'd like to get this, then you can simply go ahead and check this one out. And of course, if you'd like to try out the desktop version, we've already made a full video about this one. You can simply go through, check out the desktop version, see what and what you can get out of it, and get going with it. So this is it. The desktop version has been getting some interesting update over time. Like from the last time we talked about it, there's a good number of improvements that are now available. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at this, or possibly you like to read up on any of these things that we just talked about, including the 123D scope that the folks at Autodesk announced sometime in the past. Links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.